I'm going to show you how to download games on your Wii. I have my Wii here and the control. I turn the Wii on. Wait for the signal. Sorry. See, I have Wii Shop channel. Press start. Then wait. See if it can connect to the internet. Yes. Start shopping. Press WiiWare right here. Or you can press newest editions. Go down. You can find games there and stuff. And here's one I can download. I say this game, I could download it for 0 Wii points, which I don't have any. Download it to the SD card or system memory. I can't because I don't have enough blocks. Just download it. Press OK right here. Press OK again. Press yes. Now wait. The Mario is gonna come out. Right there. I was thinking you saw Mario. Hit a block. This may take a moment. That's just my baby butter. It's almost there. This may take a moment as you wait. You can pause the video as you can watch this so you can see how much you need. Like this is 0 Wii points. If you have like 500, you can just waste nothing but you still have to use blocks as you do it. These blocks, if you don't have any, you can't download it. Okay? Wait till he stops. There. That was successful. Continue. Or read the options. That's how you download games on your Wii.